Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. If this is the first time you are seeing my face, this is Learn with Moji, and I want to say Happy New Month to every one of us, both my pupils and the parents. The Lord who has ushered us into the Ember month will keep us to the very end of year 2025. So we are back to our C.Ugo class. So without wasting much of our time, we are going straight to our class. If you are seeing my face, this is Learn with Moji, and if you are returning subscribers, you know what we do in this channel. It's a child-friendly channel. Thank you for tuning in once again. I love you. So now we are going to our number 26 question of text 9. Number 26 question of text 9. If you have the textbook, do well to open, and if you don't, I will be audible enough for you to get the question and we'll learn together. So number 26 says, if 4 over 5 is equal to y over 25, what number does y represent? So let's do that. Number 26, we have 4 over 5 is equal to y over 25. So what are we going to do to this? All you have to do is just cross multiply, and that will be, if you should cross multiply, that is 5y is equal to 4 times 25. 5y is equal to 100. Y is equal to 100 over 5, which is equal to 5 here 1, 5 here 2, which is equal to 20. So our y there. Number 27 question. The question says, in a boarding house, an amount of 50 naira per day is spent on feeding 35 boys. Let's take it one by one. 50 naira per day to feed 35 boys. So the question now is, how much money is needed per day to feed 105 boys? So we don't know how much is needed to feed 105 boys. The same thing we have done here. Let's cross multiply. So it means we are having 35s is equal to 50 times 105. Let's take s away. That would be 50 times 105 over 35. 7 in 35, that is 5 in 30. 5 in 35, that is 7. 5 in 10, that is 2. 5 in 1, that is 1. So we are having 50 times 21 over 7. Something can still go. 7 here 1, 7 here 3. This means we are having 50 times 3, which is equal to 150 naira. So 150 naira will be used to feed 105 boys. Let me take this short diagram. We have something like this. So we have 2 centimeters here to make it bold. We have 2 centimeters here. We have 10 centimeters here. We have this to this is 3 centimeters. And we have 2 centimeters here. We have 8 here. So the question now is, what is the perimeter of the figure? What is the perimeter of the figure? So this is what we are going to do. We know that this here, this to this place is opposite. So we are having imaginary 3 centimeters here. From this place to this place, it is 2 centimeters. And 1 is given to us here. Obviously, we are having 10. The formula for it actually is perimeter is equal to 2 bracket L plus B. But because the angles, all the angles are given to us, we are adding it up together. So we are having 10 centimeters plus we have 6 here. 2, 3, 5, that is 6 centimeters. We have 8 centimeters here. And we have another 6 centimeters. So let's add it together. 10 plus 6, that is 16. 8 plus this, that is 14. So we are having what? That is 30 centimeters. I hope you know what we have just done then. So now to number question 29. Calculate the area of the figure. We are told to calculate the area of the figure. This is 28. 29. We are told to calculate the area of the figure. Let's take them one by one. Assuming this is area A, area B, and area C. So we are calculating it one by one. And for this, we have 2 and 8, which is 2 and 8. The 8 is here. For B, what do we have? We have 6 here. We have 2 there. So that would be 6 and 2. So 6 and 8, that is 2 times 8, which is equal to 16. We are adding them together. That will be 6 times 2, which is equal to 12. And for C, what do we have? We have 1 here. We have 6 there. So this is 1, this is 6. And that will be 6 times 1, which is equal to 6. So let's add it together. We are having 16 plus 12, and that is 28. 28 plus 6, that is 34 centimeter, which is option what? Option D. So now to our number 30 question. We are given, they said the pie chart represents a farm and the portion of the farm used for planting groundnut, yam, and vegetable. Number 30. So this is it. The whole of the circle is 360. We are told this is half. We are told this for yam, this for vegetable, and this for groundnuts. So now let's go to the question. They said, what is the ratio of the land used for groundnut to the land for vegetable? Groundnut to vegetable. So you can see that groundnut is what? There, 180, because this is 90, making 180. And vegetable is what? 90. So when we do the cutting, we got, that is 2:1. That is 2:1. And number 31 question says, what fraction of the land is used for yam? What fraction of the land? The total is what? 360. Total is 360. And what? The yam is what? 90 degrees. So yam is what? 90 degrees. So what are we going to do? That will be 3 over 360. Take away this. We are having 9 over 36. And that is 1:4, which is equal to 1:4. That is that for that. Or we leave it as 1. We are not giving a ratio. We leave it as 1/4. This says, what percentage of the farm is used for groundnut? What percentage? Whenever we hear the word percentage, that is 100. So 360 is the total. Then multiply by this. This cuts this. 18 year 1, 18 year 2. So this is 10. So we are having 10 over 2 times 10. 2 year 1, 2 year 5. So we are having 5 times 10, which is equal to 50. So obviously half of the whole thing is used for groundnut. And even from the diagram, you can see that half is used for groundnut. So the next question is number 33. It said the perimeter of the room is 22 meters. If the length of the room is 6.5 meters, what is its width? The perimeter of the room is 22 meters. If the length of the room is 6.5 meters, what is its width? So let's go to number 13. Number 33. So we are told that the perimeter is P is equal to 2 bracket L plus. So let's go. The perimeter there is what? 22. The perimeter is given to us in the question. The 2 is constant. The length is what? The length is 6.5. And the width is what? Not given. So what are we going to do? Let's divide the both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. So that means divide this by 2. We are having 11 is equal to 6.5 plus W. Is that our final answer? No. So W is going to be 11 minus 6.5, which is equal to what? 4.5. So our answer there is 4.5 meter, which is option E. Question number 34 says, in an hour, Dele walks 8 kilometers. How long will it take her to walk 14 kilometers at the same rate? Number 34, let's interpret the question and put the formula. Where the distance he covered is what? The D is 8 kilometers. The time he used is what? 1 hour. And to find the rate is what? Rate is equal to D over T, which is going to be 8 over 1, which is equal to 8 kilometers. That is what for the first part of the question. So the question now is, you now walk 14 kilometers. We are still going to the time will be what? Distance over what? Distance over the rate. So the distance he covered now is what? 14. And the rate there is what? 8. We got our rate from the first formula. And this will be what? How many times will this go? One whole number, 8 and 14. That is 6 over 8. Something can still go. 2 here 3, 2 here 4. So we are having one whole number, 3 over 4. Do we have it there? Which we can still convert. 3/4 is what? 60. 3/4 will be 15. 45 over 60. Yes, that's 45 over 60. So we are having 1 hour 45 minutes. So that is for that. I hope you get what we have done there. Number 35. 35 question says, in a town, market fees of 15 kobo are collected from every trader. If there were 750 traders in the market last Friday, how much should have been collected as fee? One trader is paying how much? In a town, market fees of 15 kobo are collected from every trader. So every trader is paying 15 kobo. And now we are told that we have 750 traders in that market. How much will be collected? So one trader is paying how much? 15 kobo. Now we have 750 traders. 750 traders. We don't know how much will be collected from the trader. So we cost multiply to get our answer. That would be 1x. Yes. One trader is going to be what? 750 times 15 kobo. 750 times, so to remove the s, that will be 750 times 15 divided by 1, which is so insignificant. So let's take 750 times 15. 750 to do 750. So now it's going to be 750 times 15. 750 times 15. This is 0, this is 25. We are holding to 35, 36, 37. This is 0, this is 5, and this is 7. So we are adding it together. This is 12, we are holding 1. So we are having 11,250, but it is in kobo. So to put it in naira divided by, so that is going to give us 11,100, and so that is going to give us 112 naira 50 kobo. So that is the price that will be collected in the market that day. So now to our number 36. We are told to express 0.85 as a fraction in its lowest time. 0.85. So this is divided by 100. You keep dividing till you can't divide again. So that would be, let's take 5 first. 5 here 1, 5 in 35, that is 7. 5 here 20, so that is 17 over 20. Number 37 question. How many centimeters are there in 5 meters? Let's take this. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. And we are told that we have 5. So that will be 5 times 100, which is equal to 500. So that is option C. Number 38 question. A rod was cut into 3 pieces. The length of the 3 pieces are in the ratio 5:3:2. If the shortest is 25, so we are told here is 25 centimeter. How long was the rod? So this is what we are going to do. They've given us the shortest, which is 25. So for us to get 1, it will be 25 divided by 2, which is equal to 12.5. So it is going to be 12 points. Okay, let me take it that way. 25 divided by 2, which is equal to 12.5. And that will be 12.5 times 3. Here 15, 6, 7, and 3. So for our ratio 3, we are having 37.5. So for us to get the fifth, we are still going to use the same method, which will be 12.5 times 5. So 5 times 5, 25, we are holding 2, 10, 12, we are holding 1, 5, 6. So that will be 62 points. So now we have gotten for the first one, we have gotten for the second one, and they automatically give us the third one. So what are we going to do? It's going to be 62. Let me take it in. That will be 62.5, 37.5, and 25. You can decide to put it 0 or you leave it. This is holding 1, that is 15, holding 1, and this is 12. So that is 125.0. Do we have it there as option E? So now to our number 39 question. Express is 0.79 as a percentage. Is 0.79, just the way we have done this, and that will be 79 over 100, which is equal to 79%. Question number 40. Adeyemi, who is 15 years old, is 3 years older than his brother Ojo. Adeyemi is 15 years old and is 3 years older than his brother Ojo. Obviously, that will be 15 minus 3, which is 12. So Ojo is 12 years old there. If Oloyede, their eldest brother, is 21 years old, what is the average age of the 3 brothers? Let's take the 40 here. The first one is who? Adeyemi, which is 15. Adeyemi is 15 years old. Ojo wasn't given to us, but they told us that Adeyemi is 3 years older. So Ojo is 12 years old. And their eldest brother, Oloyede, which is what? 21 years old. So what are we going to do? We are adding it together, divided by 3. So that will be 15 plus 12 plus 21. Let's take it. So that is going to be 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4 divided by 3. We are talking about 3 people there. So 3 here 1, 3 in 4, 1, remainder 1, 3 in 18, that is 6. So their average age there is 16. So let's take number 41 here. So number 41 says, Dupe bought a book for 25 kobo and sold it to Yemi for 30 kobo. Find Dupe's percentage profit. So we are not looking for just the profit, but the percentage profit. So what is the formula for them? Over cost price. Multiply by 100. Please don't forget to multiply. So that is going to be gain over cost price multiplied by 100. We are told to get the gain. We are told he bought it for 25 kobo and sold it 30 kobo. So that will be 30 kobo minus 25 kobo, which is equal to 5 kobo. So our gain there is how much? 5 over the cost price is 25. Then you multiply this by 100. 5 here 1, 5 here 5. So we are having 100 over 5, which is equal to 5 here 1, 5 here 20%. So we have it as option B. Number 42 question. So we are told to look for P plus Q. The product is and P minus Q. So P is 4 plus 3 times 4 minus 3. So that would be 7 times 1, which is equal to 7. Our number 43 question says, a man's annual income is 3,000 naira. If the first 500 is tax-free and on the remaining amount tax is paid at the rate of 50 kobo per naira, find the total tax paid by the man. To interpret the question, we are told that the first 500 naira is tax-free. So it's going to be 3,000 minus 500, which is 2,500. And we are told that 5 kobo is paid on. So let's do it together. So number 43. So we are told that is collecting 3,000 naira, but the first 500 naira is tax-free. So it's going to pay tax on 2,500. And we are told that it's paying 50 kobo on every naira. So that would be 2,500 times 5. 0,025. We are holding 2. And that is 12. This is in kobo. So to take it to naira, it's 125 naira divided by 100. So that's going to be 125 naira. So the man tax on 2,500 will be 125 naira. Question number 44 says, the sharing a car is 1 naira 25 kobo for every 50 naira value of car. What is the cost of insuring a car whose value is 5,000 naira? So let's take the 5,000 naira and know the number of 50 naira we have there, which is 100 naira. So we are 100. So we are going to pick this 100 multiplied by 1 naira 25 kobo. Any number multiplied by 0 gives you 0. 0 here is 0 here, 2 here. 0 here is 0 here, 1 here. 0, 0, 5, 2, 1. You place your. So the man is going to pay 125 naira on insuring the car valued for 5,000. Now to number 45 question. If in Ghana 1 naira is equivalent to 1.80 cedis, how many cedis are equal to 50 naira? Number 45. They said 1.8 is equal to 1 naira, and we are told we have 50 naira. So let's go. 1.80 multiplied by 50 is 0. That's 5 times 8, 40. We are holding 1. 5, that is 9. And that is what? Just place your figure, which is equal to make it, because any number multiplied by 0 gives you 0. So let's take it away. 1.80 is 0, is 0, is 0, 40. Is 0, 5. So we have 0, 0, 0, 9, 1, 2. So that is what? 90 naira, which is option A. So now to our number 46 question. Now to our number 46 question. Express 9.6385. So the 2 decimal places. So 2 decimal, this is up to 1, you add it, you're making 9. This is up to 5, you add it, you're making 4. So this is plus 1, making 4. So we are having 9.64. We are only interested in 2 decimal places after the point. Number 47 says, if one factor of 407 is 11, what is the other factor? So number 47, we have 11, we have 407. Can it be? No. 11 in 40, that is 3, which is equal to 33. That is 7. 11 in 77, that is 7. So our answer there is 37. If you multiply 37 with 11, it will give you 107. Number 48 question. Which of the following rectangle X, Y, and Z can be cut out of the sheet of paper K without leaving any remainder? And we are given here, but we'll go straight to the answer. Our answer is X alone, which is 4 and 5, which is 20. So X alone is what we can cut out anything without having any remainder. Number 40, we are using this thing to answer our number 50, our number 40 and number 50 question. A teacher asked 40 pupils by what time they went to bed the previous evening using half-hourly time. The diagram below represents the pupils' reply. Each small circle represents a pupil. We have 7:30 to 8, we have 8 to 8:30, we have 8:30 to 9, we have 9 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. and we have 9:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. How many children had gone to bed by 9 o'clock? So we'll come to where 9 is here and check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 pupils have gone to bed by that time. Number 50 question, the last question. During which period did most children go to bed? And this is the highest of it. It is between 8 p.m. and 8:30 p.m. 8 p.m. and 8:30 p.m. And we have come to the end of today's class. I hope you have enjoyed it, and happy resumption.